Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Joy Chisom. I'm back on YouTube like I never left. If you are new here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Joy Chisom. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja. In this channel, we talk about things that pertains to life, wellness, hair care, and DIYs. Okay, so if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Thank you guys for always giving me that joy. Thank you guys for always being there for me. Okay, thank you guys for your support so far. So this video is all about updates. I've been away for some time. It's not a bad thing, nothing bad happened. It's just like I moved out from my previous apartment and I moved to a new apartment. Okay, so the whole thing really stressed me. I didn't vlog, I didn't document the process because looking for house alone, searching for house hunting alone is draining. So I didn't document, I didn't do any vlog concerning that. Okay, so your baby girl is back on YouTube. Basically, that was the reason I haven't been on YouTube, because I was really stressed out, and after I got the apartment I fell sick because the stress were much. Trust me, I was really drained. So I needed time to like move in, settle in, do one or two things before I resumed, and also take care of myself. I also want to appreciate you all for reaching out to me, asking why I haven't been active, posting and all of that. And that's the reasons why I just paused posting, because I need to settle down. I needed to move out from my previous apartment. No issues, nothing, but I just needed to leave. Okay, so that's why I'm back on YouTube. Your baby girl is back. So guys, show me some love, okay? Show me some love. If you've not subscribed to my channel, are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So in this video, we'll be doing a quick unboxing, okay? With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. You guys know how I love unboxing products. You guys know how much I love unboxing products and stuff like that. So I'm going to do that with you guys, okay? Let's get right into the video. So this is a skincare product. Oh my god, Health Organics. Whoa! So if you know me too well, you know I love skincare. I love anything natural. Okay, I love natural ingredients. I like natural products. I don't like I don't like incorporating so much chemicals into my skin, because it could be very harmful, and I have a very sensitive skin. So that's why I don't like much chemical based products. If you know me too well, you know I've been using these products for like, oh god, 3 years now, right? Since 2019. Okay, and it has been perfect. Like, it has been awesome. I love this product because it's 100% natural. Okay, this is Health Organics. I'm going to link their Instagram name, take their name on the description box. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Lightning African Black Soap with mulberry and papaya. I love this product. Okay, this helps you to fight with hyperpigmentation, fades off black spots and knuckles. It mildly lightens the skin and gives the skin natural glow. Okay, we are not looking for a perfect skin. We are looking for a flawless and healthy skin. You don't need something that will make you look so white. You just need something that will lighten you up and make you glow naturally. So that's one thing I like about this product. This product goes for 6,700. I mean, this is cost effective. I mean, it's very nice for 500 grams. Who does that? It's very so okay. The next one is Skin Beauty. Oh my god, this is my love. This is my love. This is my love. If there's anything that I like about this brand, you see this oil is my go-to. I don't even go a day without applying this. If you know me well, you know I don't apply cream. I'm not a cream person. I would go with butter and oil, but you see cream, no. I don't apply cream because I don't know. Cream doesn't go well with my skin type. Period. I'm not a cream person. This oil is good for dry skin. I don't have so much, it's lightweight. Because this is the appearance of scars. Okay, just imagine wearing hot jeans or hot bun and you are wearing this, oh my god, check it out now. You need to glow, like you need to glow. The tightness and the texture of skin improves. You can't even overemphasize the beauty of this oil because it works perfectly for all skin types. It doesn't bleach. Another product is face radiance oil. I use this almost every evening. I don't know, I like using my oil in the evening. I don't use it in the morning so that I will not accumulate lots of what's it called, dust and all of that. I use it at night while I want to sleep. So if you have acne, don't use this oil. Okay, it's not for acne prone skin. Avoid using it on acne prone. So treat acne first before using this oil. Okay, so the next product is scrub. Wow, this is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my god, this smells like the sweetest berries. Trust me. Wow. Wow, this feels so good. Okay, this scrub is aloe vera and honey scrub. Okay, for face and body. Okay, for face and body. So it helps rejuvenate your skin. If you are not using body scrub, you need to incorporate it in your skincare routine. You don't even need to do so much with your skincare. Just play around with it. Use this twice every week. You don't need to scrub and scrub and scrub. Don't use it too much. Scrub twice every week. You don't need to use it, overuse it, so you will not injure yourself. When you scrub, it unclogs pores. Okay, you open up your skin so that your skincare could be able to penetrate through and prevent ingrown hairs. I mean, when you want to scrub, you don't scrub just the parts like your face. You don't just scrub your face, you scrub your armpit as well. Okay, so that anything you are using there will be able to work. That's one good thing about this thing, and it's natural, it's not harmful. You can scrub anywhere you want. Scrubbing can never be like exercise. Just scrubbing alone makes you feel better, makes you feel good. Now imagine when you now use skincare on top. So this brand has ranges of products. They have face cream, and for kids, for tender skin, they have it. They have another soap for skin for adults, but it's not lightening. That one is just mild. This one is mulberry and papaya. Trust me, it works wonders. This smells like the sweetest of berries. I'm not even kidding, it smells so nice. I would do a video application of this product. I might post it on my Instagram or here on YouTube. Okay, so if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Another thing I like about this product is thoughtful packaging. Guys, you can recycle this container. The thing I like about this product is that it's cost effective. Trust me guys, it's affordable, it's available, it's a Nigerian brand. You don't need to wait for 15 working hours to receive your product. Just place your order today. You're getting it in the next 2 to 3 days, period. Okay, so place your order. How to order? Go on their Instagram page, Kes Natural. Okay, I'm going to link it here, Kes Natural. Then send them a DM, send them a direct message on their Instagram page, and they will respond and deliver to your location. Excellent price to quantity ratio. Trust me, I can't even overemphasize on the prices of this product. Black soaps are very affordable, trust me, and they work so effectively. Okay, they work so effective. Use it, your skin will thank you. They will be happy. You have a happier skin, you have more glowing skin. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave your comment down below. I would like to hear from you guys. Tell me what you think about this video. Tell me like what you think about this product, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.